Hello everyone. Today we discuss the structure of pyrrole. The pyrrole has a molecular formula of C4H5N. In pyrrole, all the four carbon atoms and nitrogen atom are sp2 hybridized. Here we can see the electronic configuration of hydrogen H1, 1s1, electronic configuration of nitrogen which has an atomic number of 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. This is the ground state. In excited state, one of the electron from 2s orbital is excited to 2p orbital, which is goes to in pz orbital. Now 1s and 2p orbitals undergo sp2 hybridization. Because of sp2 hybridization, 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals formed. These 1, 2 and 3. All the 3 hybrid orbitals are called sp2 because they are formed from the mixing of 1s and 2p orbitals and have a planar geometry. One unhybridized 2pz orbitals having a lone pair of electrons. On the other hand, in carbon, which has an electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2, here once again one of the 2s orbital goes to 2p orbital. S and 2p orbitals are undergo to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and here also one unhybridized p orbital which has a single electron. In pyrrole, all the 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. So these in pyrrole, these sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with each other and with 1s orbital of 5 hydrogen atom to form 3 carbon-carbon, 2 carbon-nitrogen and 4 carbon-hydrogen and 1 nitrogen-hydrogen sigma bonds which are lying in one plane. It means the molecule has a planar geometry. This is a sigma skeleton of pyrrole. Now each carbon atom has one unhybridized orbital, and each nitrogen atom also have an unhybridized pz orbital. In carbon unhybridized p orbital, 1 electron each. However, in nitrogen, 2 electrons. These unhybridized p orbitals overlaps parallelly or perpendicular to the sigma plane to form delocalized molecular orbital which have a total of 6 electrons. Therefore, satisfy Haeckel rule and hence aromatic in nature. That's why pyrrole may be better represented as this is the delocalized molecular orbital which have a total of 6 electrons. This is the 6 electron, that is pi electron clouds of 6 electrons, 3 above the ring and 3 below the ring. Here we cannot show hydrogen atom for convenience. That's why we focus on showing only delocalization of unhybridized pz orbital. Next, if we consider furan, in furan the heteroatom is oxygen. Here is also all the carbon and oxygen atom are sp2 hybridized. Here is the H atom, here is carbon as we discussed it before. Again, if we comes to oxygen atom. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here 4 electrons are in 2p orbitals. This is a ground state. When excited state comes, one of the 2s electron excited to 2p orbital, which goes to pz orbital. Again, one s and 2p orbitals are hybridized to form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals and one unhybridized p orbital. Remember, hybrid orbitals forms only sigma bonds. However, unhybridized p orbitals are responsible for the pi bond formation. This will be remembered by every student. Here C have 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, 1 electron on each orbital. Oxygen again has 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. In 1 sp2 hybrid orbital, 2 electrons, and other 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals have 1 electron each. Of these sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon, of 4 carbon, and sp2 hybrid orbitals of oxygen overlap with each other and with 1h orbital of 4 hydrogen atom to form 3 carbon carbon, 2 carbon oxygen, and 4 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds lying in one plane. Now carbon have one unhybridized p orbital which have 1 electron, and oxygen have unhybridized p orbital which have 2 electrons. These unhybridized pz orbitals overlap parallelly to form delocalized molecular orbitals having a total of 6 electrons. That's why satisfying the Haeckel rule and therefore are aromatic in nature. That's why furan may be better represented as this. So what is the point to be remembered? This. If we have the knowledge of structure, which is this, you can predict the hybridization. How? Because we know here is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Here total bond, sigma bond are 3. 1, 2, 3. Either 1, 2, 3. 1 for H. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's why these are here 3 sigma bonds. It means 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are there having single electron each. We can see it. That's why